We are representing Clipsal Pakistan, which is a brand of Schneider Electric, and we offer an entire range of wiring devices, which include switch-in sockets for economical markets, for medium-end market and high-end market, where we have this E-Series, Vivace, Pino, as well as we have these high-end ranges, Zencilo, Neo, Alti, and we cater to both commercial and residential markets as well as industry. We also have industrial product range, which is primarily IP66. We also have IP67 solution in this. This is industrial plugs and sockets range, and this is used in industrial application where you have to incorporate low voltage solutions to your electrical network. We also have isolators. These isolators are IP66 outdoor units. These are also used in industrial as well as commercial applications. We have weatherproof covers. We have allied accessories. Then we have complete building automation solutions, which includes lighting control system, building management system, central battery system. Plus we have voice and data networking solutions, in which we offer complete copper and fiber solutions with patch panels, racks, and complete distribution system.
I'm Ijazul Haq from Circuiter. We are presenting Circuiter Spain here in Pakistan. This is basically all about energy efficiency solutions. This is basically all about electricity energy efficiency. We are providing these solutions just for the sake of covering, to cope up our electrical crisis going on, energy crisis going on not only in Pakistan, but it's a global issue throughout the world, and especially going towards the green energy so that we can save CO2 emissions and other things like that. So the products that we are trying to introduce are more concerned with energy audit. And Alhamdulillah, we are getting very good response from our customers. With the passage of time, we are growing and penetrating into the marketing, and people are getting awareness of energy audit and also the monitoring concepts they are developing in themselves, which was not here about if we can go for a decade of years back. So with the passage of time, as things are developing, we are going for from standard monitoring towards our remote monitoring systems, in which we can cover the whole country, or we can cover any setup which have multiple setups throughout the country, and bring all the data at one place. This is what we are trying to introduce in the country, and I'm very much hopeful that people will come towards this. So thank you.
Actually, exhibitions depict the pace of development of a country. Whatever is manufactured in that particular country, that attracts the foreign buyers and helps the local industrialist to be in contact with the general market. It may be worldwide, it may be local. However, the products that are displayed over here are at least 70% foreign origin. That is important, and the vendors, they have brought it over here for showing off these products for the local market. We at this platform try to introduce the local equipment, the locally manufactured equipment. We have cable manufacturers whose cables are all 100% manufactured in Pakistan. They meet the international standards of manufacturing. Likewise, there are transformer manufacturers over here. All the transformers are made in Pakistan at their factories and facilities. Also, there are manufacturers of lighting systems. They are assembling and making the lights in Pakistan. So we have a huge potential of consumption of these equipment, and there is a wide chance of investment in these particular fields. Some specialized equipment come from abroad. However, there is room for local research and development in those areas that are brought from outside, and they must be manufactured and made in Pakistan. We at IEEE Institution of Electrical and Electronic Engineers Pakistan strive our hard to gather the people of ideal thoughts to be on one platform and discuss their needs, and we suggest to all of them to come and meet us, and we can have very good proposals for them. We have been suggesting this to the government of Pakistan for the past 35 years. Our suggestions are provided to them every year on the eve of our annual symposium, which is held usually in March every year. The technical papers that are read at this platform, the recommendations goes to the government. We are hopeful that sometime government will approach us for betterment and better prospects in electrical, electronic, telecommunication industry. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Syed Muneeb Ali, and I'm here and I'm representing NESPARC. NESPARC is basically a consultancy services providing organization, and it's functional since the 70s. And for the past 10-12 years, we are developing customized engineering software solutions. Right here in IEEE fair, we're basically exhibiting our product that is known as Power Distribution Management System. What it does is it provides a complete GIS-based HT-LT line network generation for any distribution company. So the basic target market is all of the distribution companies across Pakistan and internationally. We are basically dealing with a GIS-based solution combined with high accuracy special devices that is being used to capture all of the coordinates. Along with that, we have a very sophisticated mobile application that is used to capture all of the attribute data. So what we basically do is that we amalgamate all of these things, and we have developed our own enterprise management solution on this. The benefit that the company gets from it is that they can generate their technical losses on a single click of a button, which can be a very laborious task for any distribution company. Right now our solution is basically implemented in IESCO, which is Islamabad Electrical Supply Company. And the biggest advantage that they're getting from this solution is that they're able to compute all of their technical losses on a single click of a button. So this is something that they can use as a benchmark and can use to deduce how much total loss they have minus the technical losses generated by our system equals to the actual theft or the administrative losses on their company. So the target market is very optimistic. A lot of distribution companies all across Pakistan are moving on this model, but the solution that we are providing and is being implemented in IESCO is a state-of-the-art solution. And we expect that the rest of the discos will also follow the example of IESCO and will move forward on this thing.